Hey, what is going on YouTube? It's your boy Hacker007. If you guys enjoy tech tips, tricks and hacks, please subscribe to my channel and turn on post notifications so you won't miss when I upload a video. Now in today's video, I'll be showing you guys how to configure a DNS server for your laptops or PC. Now, DNS server basically stands for domain name system, and they are responsible for fetching the IPv4 address of a URL. So if you type www.google.com in the URL tab, it will basically fetch the IP address for that, and it will relay that to the servers. Now, these are basically a list of 20 of the top DNS servers. As you can see, Google DNS coming in at number 1, Cloudflare, OpenDNS, and so on. And I'm going to show you guys how to set these in your computer. So first things first, what you'd want to do is whichever connection you're using. So for example, if you're using Wi-Fi or LAN connection, you'd want to do this. So you'd want to right click on the network icon, open network and internet settings. This is on a Windows 10 computer, by the way. I'm going to show you another way you can access that menu. So what you'd want to do is scroll down where you see network status, click on change adapter options. Now when you're here, you have all of your basically adapters, and since we're using Wi-Fi, we'd right click, properties. What you'd want to do next, you look for IPv4, Internet Protocol version 4. You could double click on this, or you could click on properties, and then here is where you'd add your custom DNS server. So use the following DNS server address, and then you'd add your DNS servers. So let's say we wanted to add Cloudflare's DNS server. So it's 1.0.0.1. Click on OK, close. And now your computer or the Wi-Fi connection would be using Cloudflare's DNS server. Now let's say you want to change it back and you don't want to access the network connections from there. What you could do is search for control panel. Over here, search type network connection. Okay, so we have network and sharing center, internet options, so when we're here in network and sharing settings or network and sharing center, we'd click on change adapter settings, and then we would have this menu here. So let's change it back. So click on properties, scroll down till you see IPv4 or Internet Protocol version 4. Double click, or you could simply click on properties and then obtain DNS servers automatically. Click on OK, close, and X out of that. And that is how you'd go about changing your DNS server on your PC. Now I'll provide this in the description. I'll be leaving it down there for you guys to test these DNS servers. DNS servers basically increase the rate at which a web page loads. So if you are trying to load a web page and it's not loading fast, you could give the Google DNS, Cloudflare DNS, OpenDNS a chance and see how well that works for you. So in the comments, I want you guys to comment down below which DNS server do you think is the best and why. So thank you guys for watching today's tutorial. Please feel free to leave a like, a comment, share and subscribe. Hacker007 out.